Start. Hi there. Today we are going to see the settings in Micromax Canvas HD A116. Uh, we'll see the SIM management. In SIM management, in SIM information, it shows as it a dual SIM mobile. It will show you the two SIMs. It has only one SIM for now, and then keeping this on allows you to make calls from the SIM you have loaded into it, and then if you are off it, see it shows the deactivating, which says that you can't use the SIM anymore. And then afterwards, then the roaming. Roaming is used when you are not in a particular place in your journey and you want to use a data connection or use a SIM for whatever. And then data connection. Data connection, you can use a mobile internet, which is not Wi-Fi. You already know that. And then Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi here, all the networks which are available for which are in reach with your mobile will be shown over here. And a Bluetooth, the same as Wi-Fi. Here also the devices which are in the range of this mobile and which Bluetooths are on will be shown over here. And then data usage. It shows you whether using Wi-Fi or whether using mobile, how much amount is used. It shows here 20.80 MB is used in the Wi-Fi, the specifications, and this is shown. This is only mobile and more. Airplane mode. You know where airplane mode is used. When you are moving an airplane, it is used for not. It is helpful for the pilots, and then tethering and portable hotspot. It is used for making your mobile as modem so that you can provide your own internet to the other mobiles by owning this Wi-Fi hotspot. And then mobile networks, it shows you the what networks are available for your mobile. Data connection, 3G service, preferred networks, access point names, network operators. And then let's see some about devices. Device user profiles. User profiles, it have different types of profiles: general, silent, meeting, outdoor. General, you use it when you're normal, when you're normally with people. You can when then settings, you can keep the mobile in vibrate. So when you're outside, it vibrates your mobile, so you will know that some call is there. Someone is calling you. And then down you can see the touchpad tones. These touchpad tones, they if the check is on, then the notepad in the number pad in the phone, the sounds it sounds. And then touch sounds. If touch sound is there, anything you touch on the screen, it produces a sound. Screen lock sound. Screen lock sound, when you lock the mobile and when you unlock it, it makes a particular sound which tells you that mobile is on or off. Vibrate on touch. It will vibrates whenever it touches on these three capacitive touch buttons provided. And then silent is used when you want your mobile completely silent without a ringtone or notification sound. And then meeting, when you're in a meeting, it only vibrates your mobile, it does nothing else. Outdoor, it gives you the loudest ringtone possible in the highest, it will be in the highest sound, so that you'll be able to hear whenever you're outside the house where the environment is not low sounded. And then this is the storage of the mobile. It shows the default write disk. If you install app, whether to directly write into the mobile or into the external SD card. And then this is a phone storage. It shows you how much is used and how much is empty. The green is used and the gray thing is not used. And over in the internal SD card, in the internal SD card, it shows you the different types of apps, green and the pictures, the purple, audio, orange, etc. So it tells you how much is available and what kind of program is using how much of space in your mobile. And then battery, it tells you 30 minutes 13 seconds it can provide the battery. If the screen is on like this, use if I am using it continuously, then it provides you with the informations. If you keep the cell in standby mode, it will use 32%, screens 27%. Water program will use how much percentage of battery is shown over here. And then apps, it downloaded whatever you downloaded from the internet is shown over here, uh, or from the Play Store, and the what are on the internal SD card are over here, and the what apps are running in the background. These are the present apps which are running in the background. This is all the total list of apps present in your mobile, and down it shows the phone storage. In phone storage is 256 MB is used out of total 1.5 GB, and 752 MB is free, which you can use. And location access, it the apps use your location. If you don't want them, uncheck this. And the GPS satellites, for the GPS to see the maps and all where you're located, and you got to on this. And Wi-Fi mobile networks. And then security screen unlocks, you have different types of none. If you go to none, if you unlock and all, it will show you the same screen. If slide is there, as you saw in the video, it will get a slide option, face unlock, pattern, pin and password. And make password visible. While typing password, you want whether the password to be visible or not, it depends on this check. And unknown sources, this is to be this is to be checked on, so that you can, if you have any APK files downloaded from your system to install it in your mobile. Language and input, here spell checker should be on, so that you won't make any mistakes while typing if you are in a hurry. And then it Android keyboard, if there is no additional keyboard which you have installed in your device, Android keyboard is checked as default keyboard and cannot be unchecked. Backup and reset, these backup your data in your into Google servers, so that whenever you change your mobile, or whenever you update your mobile, these data you won't lose your data. And then in accounts, you can add different types of accounts, such as email, Firefox, Google, and different types of like that. And date and time, you can automatic date and time. It sets this time according to the SIM card you use, the network provided in it, and the time zone. It uses the time zone provided in your SIM card. And you can check if you want a 24-hour format. You can check this, and this is the date format will be provided. If you want to change, click on it and check whatever you want, like that. And then schedule power and on and off. If you want on to you want, if you're going somewhere and you want your mobile not to waste its battery, then you set the timings. Morning 4 a.m. it on, check, and then night 10 o'clock off, check, so that it won't waste your battery. If you're not in your house, it won't use up the battery. And accessibility, this is related to the and these are related to the text. Large text, it is as you want. Last, if you take the screen size decrease. So if you have some problem with your eyes, then large text is recommended. And power button ends call. When call is there, you want to end the call immediately. Press the end button over here. Auto rotate screen. This, if you on, it will rotate. If you uncheck it, and you can't rotate the screen. it is depends on your it depends on your. Then you have mm, and then touch and hold delay. On this home screen you can touch. You can while you want to move the app from one grid to a second grid, you need to touch and hold. That touch and hold delay, short, medium, long. It depends how much time you need to hold on the app so that you can edit the place or location of the app. And then quick boot, it boots very quick. And developer options, you can either keep it on or off. So if you off it, it's good. If you on it, you'll have several options so that you can you and so that you can use it after, so that you can personalize according to your own wishes. And then you have about phone. Here you have all the basic information about your mobile model: A116 Micromax, Android version 4.1.2 Jelly Bean, and then baseband version, kernel version, build number, custom, and then status, battery not charging. These all, if you want to know. Thank you for watching.